Alright, tube. It's the next day. Last time we started this tractor was yesterday, and you can see we kind of, went through the mud just a little bit. But that was kind of fun. Go mudding a little bit. Pedals all muddy and stuff, but shit happens. Besides, a little dirt never hurt. So last time we started this, that seat is cold. It's warm out, but the seat's cold. But then again, it does have a metal back, so that's probably why. Anyways, since we haven't started this thing since yesterday, how about we fire it up and all that ice there. I'm gonna go park it over there in the sun somewhere and see if I can find a nice place to park this thing so it'll melt some of that crap off, because you can see there we got icicles on her. So let's see what we can do here. So we got the choke on. We're now at 615 hours still. So let's see what we get here. Oh, she killed tubes. That's not really good. I like this engine because it runs really smoothly. That one there runs a little bit rougher, but then again, that engine is probably at least six years older, if not more. So, this one does not like to idle up very often until it's warmed up, though. As soon as you idle her down, she won't idle up when she's not warmed up. So let's see if we can get her going again here. Grab the mail. All kinds of that today. Throw that in there. Yeah. Now we're going to take her a bit slower this time because we don't want to lose all the mail, Oh, we got her right before she fell. Almost lost her. We gotta take it slow because we also don't want to get too much mud on the mail. This thing is really fun to go through the mud with. But, yeah, we got a lot of mud on this thing here. We'll show you that in a minute, actually. Not too bad, but she's a little muddy on the back. We'll just grab all this nice fun mail there and better there, and then we'll open our cockpit and unload it. Just a big tip here. All right. There we go. So you can see all the ice there and crap. So anyways. This is fun. Sun here, so it's sitting in the sun to dry off and melt. So you just how well this thing climbs here. There we go. Well, sounds like I'm gonna have to drain that oil soon because I don't want her too thick. But anyways, let's just show you that thing's nice little climb there. Not too bad. Whoa, jeez, holy crap! Oh. Well, at least I managed to not drop my phone there and not get mud all over myself, or fall at all even. These boots, I don't care if they get mud. I mean, you know, they're just boots, big whoop. But if I put you down level to the ground, that's about how steep that incline is there. So you can see she's already starting to drip off there. So we'll back her down off this thing a bit. And the brakes on this thing just work excellent. Absolutely love them. I wonder if I could get any higher up on that thing. I should try it. Pretty huge thing. Haha! Look at that. That was fun. Woohoo! Check that out. Alright. Anyways, now let's actually get down to business and park this in the sun, like I was originally going to do. We'll do it on level ground here, so that I can drain my oil a bit. She's a bit over full, and we gotta do that. So, anyways, there's that, and we're also going to do a go upstairs on the PA50 Honda moped today. There you got, tubes. I'm going to have to run inside, grab my key and my gloves because my hands are going to get cold. I mean, you know, it's pretty nice out, but she ain't perfect out yet anyways. So yeah, there's a start on that for you, and then we'll get that first of the year start up on that moped. We'll get that sucker going today. So, anyways, this is it for the minute, and we'll, I guess we'll talk to you in a bit.